The Indian spectacled cobra, with its hood marked by twin circular patterns joined by a graceful curve, has fascinated humans for centuries. These markings are not merely biological, they carry layers of symbolism, myth, and cultural significance, blending nature and faith into a mesmerizing story. In Hindu tradition, the cobra's hood is often seen as sacred. Many devotees interpret its design as the third eye of Lord Shiva, symbolizing spiritual insight and divine wisdom. Others see in it the Sudarshana Chakra of Lord Vishnu, the celestial discus representing cosmic order and protection, echoing the serpent Shesha who supports the universe. These interpretations, though not always detailed in scriptures, reflect a deep connection between humans and serpents in folk and devotional traditions. One of the most famous stories comes from the Bhagavad Purana, where young Krishna confronts the serpent Kaliya, who had poisoned the Yamuna river. Krishna dances on Kaliya's multiple hoods, subduing him until he surrenders. Later devotional art and bhakti traditions suggest that the hood markings represent Krishna's divine footprints, Charan Chinha, reminding devotees of humility, grace, and the victory of divine goodness over evil. In Indian villages, cobras are revered as Naga Devatas, guardians of water, fertility, and prosperity. During Nag Panchami, celebrated in the month of Shravan, devotees offer milk, flowers, and prayers at snake burrows or anthills, believing these rituals bring rainfall, good health, and abundance. Killing a cobra is considered taboo, as it is thought to invite misfortune. Folk tales even describe the hood markings as glowing under the monsoon moon, a poetic image inspired by the subtle sheen of scales, though this is not scientifically verified. Cultural context adds another layer to the story. In Hindu mythology, Nagas are semi-divine beings, often depicted as half human and half serpent. Female serpents, or Naginis, are believed to have the power to take human form, weaving tales of love, devotion, and transformation. Stories like the Assamese folktale of Champavati, where a serpent transforms into a human prince, illustrate the mystical connection between humans and serpents, a bond that continues to inspire rituals, songs, and festivals across India. While no real-world incident of a Nagini transforming into a human exists, the belief remains a vibrant part of India's cultural heritage. From a biological perspective, the spectacled cobra's hood markings are pigment patterns shaped by genetics and evolution. When threatened, the cobra spreads its hood, displaying the eye-like spectacles to appear larger and more intimidating to predators. What humans often see as divine symbolism is, in nature, a brilliant evolutionary adaptation for survival. The Indian cobra, with its hood markings, is therefore more than a creature, it is a living symbol where faith, folklore, and science converge.